Where am I starting? There. Let's go. Ha! Are you in here?
In the afternoon, David.
Oh fuck. Oh! Oh, good shot. Nice try. Oh, he's empty. Oh no. I had a go already. You had a go as well, didn't you? Yeah, so we need to wait for everyone to go first. Oh, he's hit. He's empty too. Oh, he's on safety. I don't know. He's hit. Well done.
Oh, lucky boys, well played. Right, you two up for
Go on, go on, go on, go. Go over there. Go, go, go. You want to start over here? Well done.
Yes, well done!
Well done.
3, 2, 1, game on! Well saved, Ava. That woke everybody up.
That's right.
No more babies.
You went out to work that thing.
Something stuck in there. Just got down somehow. There, and then pull it out, get the slide off. Know what I mean? I've never done that. Yeah. Know what I mean? And then have a look at it. I should do it now. Where's the beers at, boys? Where's the beers at?
You got some,
I wish.